In our Innovators Design Thinking program, children will think critically, explore their creativity, and create their own invention in this hands-on innovation program. In this program, children will learn how to brainstorm and pull from a wide variety of creative ideas. They will also learn how to design their own invention through trial and error, pivoting, and problem solving. And they will also learn public speaking tips and tricks on how to present their invention in front of a live audience. This is also a great program for children to learn the design thinking process, and it's also a great program for them to boost their confidence and adaptability in pursuing their own ideas. Here are some examples from our past programs.